Hello, mamas. Welcome to this episode of Meditation Mama. And today we're going to be doing just an easy 10-minute meditation to give our bodies some time to rest and unwind and just take a break. Our bodies work so hard every single day for ourselves and for others, and they need a little TLC sometimes. So one request before we dive into the meditation, if you're listening to my voice right now, if you could leave a review on Apple Podcasts or a rating on the Spotify app, if you're listening there, it really makes a huge difference in supporting my work, and it feeds the algorithm beast so that other mamas who need these meditations are more likely to stumble across this podcast and find what they need. And it's something I know it takes a few seconds to do. It's a little bit of a hassle, but it really is so helpful to me. So if you wouldn't mind one mom to another helping me out, giving a little support to my work, it would just mean so much to me. So after that, a plead for help, let's dive into this meditation. We're going to kick it right off just by getting comfortable, making sure that your body is feeling good, that it can relax, that you're in a space where you can really let go and unwind just for a few minutes. And take a moment to become aware of your surroundings, opening up your senses, taking in the moment, bringing yourself into the here and the now. Now bring your awareness to your body. Notice how it's feeling right now. And send some love and gratitude to your body for all of the hard work that it does for you every day and for everyone else. Sending your body love and just beginning to breathe. Letting the air flow in and out of your body effortlessly. Maybe letting your breath begin to expand. Lengthening the inhales and exhales just a little bit more. Just allowing that breath to move to all the cells in your body, bringing them nourishment, relaxation, goodness. Then bring your awareness to your feet. Send breath down to the feet, softening the muscles here, letting them rest and relax. Then bring your awareness to your legs. Send breath to your legs, letting that breath carry nourishment and goodness to every part of your legs. Just giving them time to rest here. Now moving your awareness to your hips and pelvis. Breathing here, softening the muscles of this space. And then up to the abdomen. Sending the breath here. Softening the abdomen. Just letting it rest. And becoming aware of the chest, the rib cage, the shoulders. Breathing in this space, becoming aware of how it's feeling, and then letting the muscles soften as you breathe. And becoming aware of your back, sending the breath here, releasing tension from this area, softening the muscles, letting that breath carry nourishment to the back. Then becoming aware of the arms and the hands. Breathing into the arms and hands, giving them nourishment, just letting them soften and unwind. Now moving your awareness up to the neck and the throat, allowing your breath to wash through this area of your body, softening the muscles of the neck and the throat, and releasing this space. Then move your awareness up to your face and your head, letting go of all of those little muscles in the face, relaxing the scalp, just sending breath to this space. And now breathing into your whole body, every part of you, sending that oxygen and nourishment to all of your cells. Just giving yourself some space and time to rest and breathe and be. You can continue to stay here for as long as you would like, but this is where I will leave you with my guidance. Thank you so much for joining me today.